All right, welcome back, guys. So I want to show my Smart Money Concepts V2 script and explain a little bit about Smart Money Concepts. If you are a futures or forex trader, stay until the end. I actually have a special announcement for you guys towards the end. Really quickly, if you want to learn Smart Money Concepts in depth, I recommend going to the creator ICT and doing his 2022 mentorship videos. It's on his playlist for his YouTube page. Also follow him on YouTube because he has great content and other strategies pertaining to it. I recommend episode 2 and 3 because that's what I built my first script off of, and it's very helpful in understanding how it works. I gave this first script to one of my developers, and he created V2 off of it. They're both focused on two of the core concepts that are shown in Smart Money Concepts, and I'm going to explain them right now. This first one is his probably second favorite concept, which is fair value gaps. These are price imbalances that are due for correction. Price imbalances, because you can see this is like extremely bullish candle, which is abnormal in the sequence, as you can tell. And as you can see, price kind of went back down before continuing bullish, which is essentially kind of correcting it. Now, if you watch ICT's videos, he's going to explain that sometimes price could even go 50% below before continuing in this place. That's why, this needs to be corrected some way. Smart money concept traders love trading fair value gaps because you're going to see them. As you can see, there's so many of them. You're going to be trading them nonstop back and forth all day. There's more fair value gaps trades than pretty much any other trade pertaining to smart money concepts out there. This is why people love trading it. Now, the second one, which is his most promising strategy, really is just focusing on what's called liquidity zones. Liquidity zones are like support and resistance, but on crack. It's areas where price will always be a magnet for and always have activity at. So look at this here. This is a perfect example. Buy side, price goes all the way up to buy side and then it retraces back down. Sell side, it goes all the way down and then it retraces. Buy side is where buy stops will be activated. That's what he states in his videos if you watch those, meaning buy stops will be activated and price will again retract. Sell side is the reverse. Sell stops will be activated and price will retract. This is a little bit more safer for me. Again, I like to trade this a little bit better because if we go to the 1 minute candle, 1 minute chart, see right here. Okay, this is the start of it. You see that it's a little bit, it's again, the moves are very strong in the beginning. And again, because we're scalping it on live simply because a lot of people have funded accounts. So they have like daily draw limits. So they're not supposed to go below a certain amount. So that's why like scalping these for the points and just getting out is like the safer move. That's why I prefer buy side over fair value gaps. So that's what we're essentially doing throughout the week. And one of the things that's also helpful that he teaches is tracking what the week is going to do in the beginning. So at Monday, seeing where the candle is. So there was a bullish candle starting on Monday. And the reason why this is important because if you go to Friday, which I'm happy this kind of skipped to, Friday went ballistic. It went down and then it shot past even buy side. It shot past buy side and went all the way to heaven. We actually traded. We had two trades in here, two bullish trades in here. We actually didn't take any buy side because it didn't retrace it, but we took two bullish trades here. Amazing day on Friday. All right. So that's essentially what we're looking for. Now, with this, you don't need an actual script, but again, I'm a lazy programmer, so I like to use my brain to kind of create these things to make it easier visually. Um, and this makes it easier to track. And we take our entries on the 1 minute candle so we could actually make sure that we take the candles as they come as opposed to like holding on for 15 minutes, which is crazy. All right. So for this example here, we wait for one candle to be below and show that the move is starting. So for this example here, we have buy side. We wait for one candle to be closed below buy side, and then we take the move as it's there. So let me show you the price. Let me show you the pricing on that. So this is one candle below, and we wouldn't take this whole thing. We would take like probably like half of it or so. So we do like probably 14. Let's do like 4 points, 4 points on that. And let me show you the math on how much that would make you. So let's do 4.2. I'm getting my calculator. You can join me on your calculator too. So 4.25, and that's 4.25 points. 0.25 is equal, 0.25 of that is equal to a tick, which is where we make our dollar value from on SPY. I mean, for E-mini SPYs. So we do 4.25 divided by 0.25 to get the tick value. That's 17 ticks. And it's going to be $12.50 per tick that you make on a move. So 17 times 12.50. So for one ES contract, that's $212 in that move. And we're trading like around 5 of them. So that's $1,000 right there. And that's like 3 minutes at most. 3, probably 4 minutes. And just imagine doing this just back and forth. Like that's essentially kind of what you can do with this script. All right. And again, you don't even need a script. So if you watch his videos, he's going to show you how to mark these. Because again, you see I have them solidly marked with lines as well too, just so I can see it on the 1 minute so we can actually chart it on the 15 minutes so we know where the zones are. But then on the 1 minute, we'll know based on these lines as well too. So highly, highly recommend you watch these videos to understand that. And that's just basically it. Now, for my Forex traders who want to trade the Nazi, and for my futures traders who want to trade NQ futures. I'm trying to show where it is. I'm literally trying to show where it is, but you get the gist. Actually, I'm gonna move it over here so it's a little bit more pronounced. All right. As you can see, the price action is relatively just, oh, this is 1 minute. That's why. Apologies for that. There we go. I was like, wait, why did it look so different? Anyway, price action is literally the same. These are both based on the NASDAQ market index. So essentially, we can trade smart money concepts for both at once. So for my people who are Forex traders on MetaTrader 5, the NAS 100, you can trade it using smart money concepts. My futures traders like myself and Q, you can trade it the same way. They literally have the same zones and we can literally trade them all the same. All right, so starting on Monday, we're going to be doing that. We're going to be trading NQ exclusively with smart money concepts. So if you are a future trader or Forex trader, sign up for Algo World, shoot my assistant a DM or a message through email, or you can shoot me a DM as well too. And then we'll get you set up and you'll join the call. We'll be trading this live for both markets so you can see everything straight out. All right. So hopefully you guys learned a lot. Again, watch ICT's video to understand these more in depth. And if you want to join me live, again, join Algo World. Send me a DM or send my assistant a message and we'll get you situated. And I'll see you guys all live on Monday. Peace.